I'm Michael Gagowski of the Orthotic Works, and I'm a certified podorthist. And today, I'm going to demonstrate how we can help you with your foot and lower limb problems. What are custom foot orthotics? Foot inserts are supports that help alleviate all types of foot common problems and abnormalities. Functional orthotics are used to help control conditions like plantar fasciitis, policeman's heel spurs, fallen arches. We use, most commonly, functional orthotics for most of our clients. Customers that have functional abnormalities are usually caused by improper motion in the foot and the lower limb structure. How we capture that is we use biomechanical assessment techniques, specifically digital capture, which helps us determine exactly what's happening with the foot, where you need the support, and how much support you need. In our assessment, we'll be able to analyze exactly what's happening with your foot, why it's occurring the way it is, and we'll give you a sample of how we can alleviate it. So as you can see, as the clients are standing and walking across the platform, we're capturing their dynamic data so we can see how much their arch expands and contracts during motion. Again, most foot abnormalities are caused by improper motion within the lower limb structure. So if we can help support that and align that, that'll help ease all different kinds of foot problems. Once we have the client's tests from standing and walking, we can then evaluate those tests and help determine exactly what's happening in their lower limb biomechanics. As you notice to the screen to the right, you can see that we have averaged all three steps, the left and right, and have superimposed them so we can then really truly gauge what is happening during a gait cycle or a walking cycle. As you can see on the screen, you have heel pressures, arch pressures, and met pressures. Those help determine exactly what the foot is doing during its gait. We can then use an orthotic to help control the pressure and the way the foot functions to help alleviate all from foot up to back problems. Once a client is interested in seeing how we can help them, we'll have them sit down and explain to them using different models as to what exactly is happening in their foot. A lot of times explaining the foot structure helps understand why a foot may operate the way it does. Once I have the client tested, we can then show you the different product lines that we have available that can alleviate your certain specific conditions. We have trainer type orthotics and boot style orthotics that will help in your everyday life. As you can see, the client is wearing dress shoes, and the slim orthotic is what's best for their certain footwear. This orthotic can be used in many styles: heels, sandals, and tighter fitting footwear. Once the client has chosen the proper footwear, we will then put the orthotic and have them take a little stroll. This helps understand exactly how the orthotic will help, and they can feel the difference right away. Once they return, we will then produce the orthotic. Depending on the final result of the orthotic necessary to fit the many different footwear that a client may have, we will then grind, form, and glue different types of materials or postings, again, depending on what the biomechanical assessment requires. The orthotic, once fitted using all of our different techniques with biomechanical assessments, this will truly help us determine how much support you need, where you need the support, so we can offer you a 98% precise insert.
I was a little shocked at the condition of my feet, but once the orthotics were applied to my shoes, my heel spur pain was alleviated. Felt really good, really comfortable.
I bought orthotics about 6 years ago for my back. I wear them on and off in different shoes, and they've really improved my posture and the back pain that I was suffering.